sail through the sky. It turned and it dove, and it turned. This bird could really fly. But then one day, one fateful day, a jealous badger passed by. He said to the bird, have you ever considered that it might be a sin to fly? Little bird, just spread your wings. Little bird, just fly. Feel the air, the sun, the wind. You have a right to the sky. So the bird starts to brood, the bird starts to think, suddenly stays in the tree. It doesn't dare to spread its wings, but oh how it longs to be free. Long came a raven, black as the night, and he said, a little bird to be free. You don't need to brood and you don't need to think. You just have to step off this tree. Little bird, just spread your wings. Little bird, just fly. Feel the air, the sun, the wind. You have a right to the sky.